Welcome aboard Brilliant, a 1986 Grand Bank Sedan 32, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The boat's classic lines and trawler-style design make it visually appealing. It has a semi-displacement hull that provides stability and good fuel efficiency, making it ideal for long-range cruising. It performs well in rough seas, providing a stable ride, which is a significant advantage for cruising enthusiasts. This is a high-quality classic yacht, which has been well maintained and is ready for the Great Loop or the Bahamas. At the stern, there is an extended swim platform with boarding ladder that adds to the ease of access to this boat. Boarding Brilliant is safe and easy through the gated railings on the side or the swim platform. The cockpit is safe and secure underway and at anchorage, and is designed for ease of movement, with ample space for fishing gear, supplies, or simply lounging around on that perfect day. The flybridge is easily accessible from the cockpit. Brilliant's flybridge is a key feature, offering excellent 360-degree visibility and space for navigation. It includes seating and controls, allowing for an enjoyable experience while steering this boat. Brilliant is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including a Garmin chart plotter, Raymarine autopilot, and bow thruster. The mast can easily be lowered for bridge clearance, or in this case, to access Brilliant's covered slip. Her protected side decks with high railings are easy to navigate and safe for children and pets. On the bow, you are greeted with a spacious deck that is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. Brilliant is equipped with a very robust and reliable Lehman windlass with easy access to the controls. The main salon is entered through the aft door. The salon is a bright and airy space with large windows, comfortable seating, and a dining area that accommodates a small group. The boat includes plenty of storage options throughout making it a practical boat for extended cruising. The interior is finished in beautiful satin varnished teak and fine fabrics, offering warmth and comfort that is unique to Grand Banks. The beautiful lower helm station features a beautiful, traditional teak steering wheel, engine controls, full range of gauges, autopilot controller, bow thruster controller, and a windlass controller. Above the helm is an overhead electronics area with VHF radio and Garmin chart plotter. The breaker panel is conveniently located next to the helm. The very functional galley includes a microwave, a stainless steel sink, 3-burner stove and oven, and a large front opening refrigerator. This warm and roomy forward V berth sleeping area comfortably accommodates to and offers storage beneath the berth and large hanging lockers to port. The head includes an electric marine toilet and shower, providing essential facilities for extended stays on board. The engine room in a Grand Banks is a standout feature, and there is plenty of space around the engine to easily access for maintenance. The Ford Lehman offers dependable, economical power at hull speed. Brilliant has been well taken care of and is ready to go for her next owner. To book your appointment to view Brilliant, contact Little Yacht Sales.